So today we are going to discuss about the sign conversion while solving the numericals. Okay, so here some rules are there which I am going to write. Sign convention of the measurement of the distance. Uh, First thing is, let's see the formula. 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon u and 1 upon v, where f is the focal length and u is the distance between focus, it's a distance between the object to the pole. Okay, what it means, suppose I am having this type of the concave mirror and this is the principal axis. Clear? So this is the pole, represented by O, and somewhere here the candle is standing. So this distance will be denoted as u. Clear? Similarly, where the image is coming, that distance from the pole will called as v. So v is the distance between image to pole. Is that clear? Now the sign convention. Remember, two types of the mirrors are there, concave and convex. So for concave, I am just writing first, u and f are always negative, and meanwhile for the real image also it matters where the image, because when we are talking about the image we have to see whether it's coming as real or the virtual one. This is the mirror, concave one. If the image is here or here, if the image is here, so we'll take positive. If the image comes here, we'll take negative. Yeah. So most of the time you will find when the image is coming beyond the mirror, when it is virtual. So most of the cases, in virtual case only, it will be positive. Most of the time for the real, it will be negative only. Clear? Okay. Let's talk about the convex one. For convex mirror, value of u and value of v and f. Clear? These two will be positive and this will be always negative. Is that clear? Now, if length of the object and the image are measured perpendicular to the principal axis, the ratio of the length of the image upon to the length of the object is called as linear magnification. So this will be called as linear magnification. And then this is the formula, the next one. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's start solving the numericals. Starting from the toughest one, means from the last 14 number. The magnification of a mirror, it is said that -3. Okay, how are u and v are related? So we know that m is equal to minus v upon u. Let's just put this value here. -3 is equal to minus v upon u. So it will be minus 3u is equal to minus v. Minus can be cancelled. So this will be the relationship. But remember that u is always negative. U is always negative for any of the mirror. So it should be. So most probably this is the answer, because negative sign is just showing the direction and the location of the object or the images. Let's see the 13 one. This will be the answer. 13 is an erect image. Erect का मतलब होता है सीधा. Erect image formed by a concave mirror is size doubled. It just double. Okay. So image is just double to the object. So I is equal to 2o. Object का double है. How they are related? So we know the formula I upon O. Just put this value. Instead of I, you just write 2o upon O. O will be cancelled. So 2 will be the answer for the magnification. Now they are asking about the relationship of u and v. We know m is equal to minus v upon u. Just put this value here. 2 is equal to minus v upon u. 2u is equal to minus v. Clear? Or you can write minus 2u is equal to v, whatever. Question number 12. The image formed by a convex mirror is of size 1/3. Okay, 1/3 the size of object. Size of the object. Okay, so I will write 1 upon 3 into O. 1 upon 3 O, that is the relationship between the I and O. Now they are asking how U and V are related. Simple it is. First I need to find the magnification value. So I will write a magnification value as I upon O. Is that clear? Okay. Now M is equal to minus V upon U, that is equal to 1 upon 3. Okay, so you can have this answer.